Morning, dear children. How are you? I know you all are very happy because Ganesh festival is going on. Am I right? Many of you must be having Ganpati at home. You must be busy in doing Ganpati Aarti every morning and every evening, right? Many of you must have decorated the house for Ganpati, as well as many of you must have done a special decoration for Ganpati. As well, many of you may be having Gauri Pujan also, right? And you must be preparing for Gauri Pujan. So children, enjoy the festival. I know this festival brings a lot of happiness and enthusiasm in us. So let us pray Ganpati Bappa to save the whole world from coronavirus. Let this corona go far, far away from our life and never come back. And let all the things fall and start in their normal way. Right? So children, enjoy the festival but give some time to study our lessons. Today we are going to start a new lesson, a great leader. Who is this leader? Let us see this picture. Do you know who is he? Yes, he is Mahatma Gandhi, right? You must have seen and you must have heard about Mahatma Gandhi many times. Okay, so today we are going to learn about him in this lesson. Mahatma Gandhi's full name is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Who was he? Actually, he was an Indian lawyer, anti-colonial nationalist, and political ethicist who employed non-violent resistance to lead the successful campaign for India's independence from British rule, and in turn inspired movements for civil rights and freedom across the world. Okay, so let us read the lesson. Mahatma Gandhi was one of the greatest leaders of the world. Other leaders win wars by hurting others and killing them. Mahatma Gandhi did not use any arms and weapons like guns, rifles, or bombs, and yet he won the war of India's independence. People lovingly called him Bapu or Bapuji. He is father of our nation. So children, you understood? Other leaders win the wars by hurting others and killing them. They use the weapons like guns, rifles. But Gandhiji never used these weapons to win the war of India's independence. Then what did he use? He used the way of non-violence, that is, non-hurting people, not using any weapon to hurt the people or to kill the people, but to use the way of non-violence. And by that way only he won the war of India's independence. Okay? See, this is one more picture of Gandhiji. Gandhiji was a man of iron will. If he decided to do something, he did it, no matter how difficult it was. One day, he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. From that day onwards, he never missed the prayer. So children, what do you mean by iron will? Iron will means strong determination. That means if you decide to do something, you will do it definitely. Whether any problem arises, you will not stop yourself to do it. You will do it at any cost. So Gandhiji was like that. So one day he decided that he would have an early morning prayer every day. And then he did it every day. Every day he used to wake up early in the morning and he used to have the early morning prayer. Okay. See, this is picture of Gandhiji in his young age. Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to truth, simplicity and non-violence. That is, not hurting others. Gandhiji's dress was very simple. Just a loincloth, a dhoti worn above the knees and sometimes a shawl. Could he not afford fancy or fashionable clothes? Of course he could. But this simple loincloth was a deliberate choice. How did he come to make this choice? So children, Gandhiji gave a lot of importance to simplicity. Okay. His dress was also very simple. Just a loincloth and dhoti. See this picture. You will come to know. Okay, a loincloth and a dhoti worn above the knees. Okay, and sometimes he used to wear a shawl around it. Actually, fancy dresses or fashionable dresses or clothes were very much affordable by him. But he could never wear this fancy or fashionable dresses. He had chosen this kind of loincloth and dhoti. Why did he choose these dresses? What is the reason behind this? See even one more picture. You will see again a dhoti and loincloth. So what was the reason that Gandhiji had chosen this kind of dress? Let us see the reason. Once Gandhiji was on a lecture tour in Odisha. Odisha means a state in India. Usually people call it as Orissa. Do you know where it is? See India's map and see the red color part. That is Odisha, okay, or Orissa. Usually men and women gathered in large numbers to listen to him. In Odisha, however, women were not seen at these public meetings or lectures. So children, usually men and women used to gather in large number to listen Gandhiji. Okay, but in Orissa what happened? Women were not seen for his meetings or for his lectures. On making enquiries, Gandhiji found that the people in the part of country were so poor that their women folk had not a decent thing to wear. So, when Gandhiji inquired that why women are not attending the meetings, why they are not present for the lectures, then he came to know that people in Odisha were so poor that they did not have enough money to buy proper clothes for their women. So women did not have decent clothes to wear, and therefore they were kept away from public functions. Gandhiji was deeply pained to hear from this. So Gandhiji he was deeply pained when he heard about it. He came to know that people in this area don't even have that much money that they can afford proper clothes for their women. So from that day, he decided to wear the bare minimum of clothes. Be it cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. So Gandhiji was deeply pained when he heard that people in this region do not have enough money to buy the clothes. And then he decided, I will wear the same dress the way people in my country are wearing. If they are poor and they cannot afford good dresses to wear, even I will not wear the good dresses or fancy clothes or fashionable clothes. I will also wear the dress the way my country people are wearing. Okay, and so he decided to wear only a short dhoti and loincloth. Though it is cold or hot, he never changed his simple dress. Understood, children, how great Gandhiji was? Okay, let us stop here. The rest part of the lesson we will see in our next period. Okay, till then, enjoy your Ganpati festival. Ganpati Bappa Moria.